Hari Om to everybody. Our heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty Lord of the universe who is within us, who is prompting us to do all these things, for charging us with the spirit of moving closer to Him through the 3 episodes shared earlier. Let us see what is the 4th one. Through this week's anecdote, Papa wants us to understand the meaning of the word family from the spiritual angle. Family is as much about being related by blood as it is about being related through love. Familial feeling is present where love predominates. People become a part and parcel of the family when love is added to any type of relationship. Without love, members of family are just group of people probably sharing the same lineage. Let us see how he teaches us the sublime truth. Jayaprakash Nirala, an Air Force Garud unit commando, was gunned down by 2 extremists. He died saving the lives of injured fellow commandos. For his sacrifice, he was given the Ashok Chakra on the Republic Day in 2018, which was received by his mother Maitri Devi and wife Sushma. The martyred commando was the only son among the 4 children of Tej Narayan Singh, a farmer from Rajasthan. Several months after the passing away of Nirala, his father made arrangement for the marriage of his 3rd daughter, Shashikala. As usual, he sent an invitation to the Air Chief Marshal and the Garuda Commando unit. It's a courtesy gesture. However, as willed by the divine, around 50 commandos of the Garud unit reached Singh's house 2 days prior to the wedding and took charge of the entire arrangements. Not only that, they contributed 5 lakhs for the wedding expenses and participated as brothers in the marriage rituals. During the ceremonies, according to the tradition they have, customs they have, the colleagues of Nirala, in a unique gesture, kneeled on the floor in 2 rows, hands on the floor, palms facing up, creating a path so that their sister could walk to the bridegroom and exchange garlands. You can mentally visualize the scene. Shashikala had lost her brother several months ago, but when she got married, by God's grace, she had 50 brothers, giving her a unique, we call it bidai, from the parents' home. The overwhelmed parents said, "We lost 1 son, but I've been blessed with 50 now." So now let us look at the spiritual angle. Through the form of Nirala, who sacrificed his life for the nation, God has shown us the ways to come out of the clutches of the me and mine in whatever field we are placed in. The divine prompted Nirala's parents to organize the wedding of Shashikala with Sujit and also motivated 50 of Nirala's colleagues to attend the wedding with the feeling of complete oneness with the entire family. They are not blood relations at all, thus filling the gap caused by the death of the brother. They are drawn from different places, So family means not merely blood relations. What is more important is love. This is what God teaches us through. In order that we people come out of our own conceptual presence, He not only enacts this play, but makes us to become aware of this play. That is important. Today you and I are hearing this, And when we hear this, what wells up in our mind? An inexplicable feeling, which we can't explain. Because there is a expansion of the sense of individuality, which can't be explained. It can only be felt, experienced. Papa says, to look upon all as our own is called Sarvatma Drishti, or universal vision. There is in it absolutely no selfishness, no sense of separateness, no sense of I and mine. Love limited to a small circle is called moha. Love for all is known as prema. Hari Om.